Hey guys, welcome to Graphics House Photoshop. Today I'll be showing you how to transform your photo into a woodcut. Open your image in the wood texture. Now make a selection around your face area. To make a selection I use quick selection tool. Now go to redefine edge. And increase the brush size and brush over the hair area and increase the smoothness up to 8. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection. Now press V to open your Move tool and drag your subject to the wood texture. To resize your subject, press Ctrl T. Now go to the adjustment layer icon and select black and white. Now press Ctrl Alt G. Now press your Shift button and click the layer 1 to make both layer active. Convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Filter and Filter Gallery. Go to Sketch and Photocopy. Now go to Select and Color Range. Now click on the layer mask icon. Make sure your foreground color is black and white. Now open your pencil picker and make its hardness and opacity 100%. And brush over the unwanted dots around your face. Now make its blending mode to soft light. Now go to the FX icon and select Bevel and Emboss. Now duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. And decrease its opacity to 37%. Now go to the adjustment layer icon and select Levels. So in this way you can change your photo in the woodcut effect in an easy way. Hope you like our video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.